Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change Instagram highlight covers. So to do this, you just need to open your Instagram account, go directly to your profile, go to your highlights and click on it and click Edit Highlight. And as you can see, the first option is Edit Cover. You just need to click on it and you have two options here. You can choose the cover of your highlight from the actual picture, like available in the highlight, or you can also choose it from your phone. And to choose it from your phone, you need to click on that picture icon near to the first story that you have in that highlight. And after that, after choosing the new picture, for example, I will choose this one. I just need to click done, and after that click done again. And as you can see, I updated I changed the cover of my Instagram highlight. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.